Hi guys, welcome back to Celeb Gossip Entertainment, where we bring you the tea each and every day. Now guys, Makati is trending currently. She is trending because she has been accused of not attending events, guys. She is accused of not attending events while she got the money. Okay, now the story goes like this, guy. Makati was booked to attend an event. Ne? She was booked to attend an event and then they paid the deposit. Ne? And then when the team was communicating with the people that booked Umakati, they say that the conditions were that the deposit is the booking fee, and then 14 days to the event, ne? 14 days before the event, they need to send the full amount. So they need to top up that deposit so that it can be the full amount, and then she can come to perform. So the organizers of the event did not reach the agreement of paying the full amount. They only paid the deposit, which is the booking fee. So this is the reason why Makati did not pitch at that event. Now Kesana is very interesting because people were waiting for Makati on that event. Makati was not there, and then I think the event organizers tried to make a plan, guys. They tried to make a plan and they sent someone to the stage who they thought people will think it's Makati, but it was not Makati. People were so mad, they were so angry. They then decided to burn the stage, guys. People then decided to burn the stage. The equipment was burned down. Some of the equipment was stolen, and it is alleged that the equipment that was stolen and that was the one that was burned, that equipment it can be worth more than 3 million, guys. And look at how burnt this thing is. It looks like it's beyond the repair. I'm not sure if they will be able to repair it, but it is estimated to be worth more than 3 million. Imagine. And the total for booking Umakati was 180,000. So they could have just paid that amount and then carried on with the event instead of just losing so much money for deceiving the people who bought the tickets. So it was such a chaos. As you can see in these pictures, people were just burning and burning. They were littering everywhere because people are mad. They bought the tickets to see Umakati, and then now there's a change of plan. They don't see Umakati, they see someone who's portraying an image of Umakati. They are just mad that these people think that we are fools. These people think that we are fools. We don't know how Makati looks like, but this is not Makati. So Kesana, now Makati is accused of not attending events. And this is because the people that were attending that event, they do not know the full story. They don't know that Makati was not paid her full amount to attend that ceremony. Now she is accused of not attending events and stuff. And then her not legal team, but her team released this statement. It says Makati and KwaS London Annual Fun Games and Music Festival. It was released on the 27th of December 2024. It says Makati Entertainment is pleased to announce that Makati has been scheduled to perform at the KwaS London Annual Fun Games and Music Festival. The promoter Ismail reached out to us for this arrangement, and we agreed on a fee of 180,000 rand. On November 19, 2024, a contract was provided to the promoter which specified that a 50% deposit must be received prior to the promotional activities on social media. Additionally, the full amount was requested 14 days before the event. Following this agreement, a deposit has been received along with an extra 3,000 for a promotional video. Unfortunately, The promoter did not reach the agreement as per contract by failing to pay the balance within 14 days as agreed. Please note that Makati and her traveling team are informed of events only after all payments have been confirmed in accordance with the terms of the contract. We did not receive the balance within 14 days. So this is why Makati could not go to perform there. It was not her fault. I see a lot of people on social media blaming her. She even posted on Twitter that she did not know anything about the event because she didn't even send that fake person to perform there, because some people were even accusing her of sending that fake person to pretend to be her. So she was just saying Tiana, she doesn't know anything. She did not send anyone to perform as her. She was just stating facts. So this is all I have for you today, guys. Please make sure that you like, you subscribe. I will see you on my next one.